Good afternoon. We need more enthusiasm for good afternoon. Entrepreneurs क्या करते हैं, ideas होता है, and they become enthusiastic about their ideas, isn't it? So, can we have a very large good afternoon now? और जरा जोर से, और जरा जोर से, enthusiasm, I want to see. That's it. Now, we have all seen Goli Vada Pav number 1. Can we go to the next slide? Normally entrepreneurs get inspirations. हम लोग स्कूल में पढ़ते हैं, कॉलेज में पढ़ते हैं, MBA करते हैं, और उसके अलावा there are a lot of books and authors. I got inspired by definitely Paulo Coelho. You heard about Paulo Coelho? And he got a beautiful sentence in this book. What is the sentence? You have a dream. The dream has come in the womb of the universe. It is the responsibility of the universe to fulfill the dream. The universe conspires to help you achieve your dream. आप समझ गए? जो इन्होंने बताया, शाहरुख खान ने बताया था कुछ. Which movie? क्या बताया था? पूरी कायनात. Yeah, it's a truth. It's truth, and I believe this. The day I read this book, I was a corporate finance person. Tie, blazer, laptop, 5-star hotels. I gave up my tie, blazer, laptop, big car, got into a jeans, t-shirt and chappal. आज जयपुर आया तो ऐसा पहन के आ गया. नहीं तो नॉर्मली नहीं, जीन्स एंड टी-शर्ट, एक कैप पहन के एसटी बस पकड़ के कल्याण चला गया to start गोली वड़ा पाव. That's what books can do to you. Some words can do to you. Always believe in inspiration. Inspiration is the most important thing. Can you go to the next slide? What Paulo Coelho has said now, our own Mahatma Gandhi has said so many years back. You find the purpose, the means will. You find the purpose, the means will. Can you go to the next slide? And these are great. How many of you have read about a person called Richard Bach? Richard Bach. Yes. How many hands? Yes, I can see a few hands. Beautiful inspiration for anybody who want to do something with their life. It's a story of a small little seagull which wants to fly like a eagle. Seagulls normally don't fly in the air. They fly at oddly 10 feet, 15 feet in the air. And they live their life for what? Dead fishes and fighting amongst their friends and relatives. This is a story of an average middle class person, PF, gratuity or security. एक छोटा सा घर, 2 bedroom हॉल किचन, एक छोटी सी गड्डी, एक ब्यूटीफुल वाइफ और हस्बैंड, हाँ, एक फॉरेन हॉलीडे. That's what all middle class people are there. And amongst them was Jonathan, who thought, I don't want to fight for survival. I want to fly like a eagle. He saw a 10,000 feet cliff next to his shore where his family and friends were. He climbed the cliff every day. Can you go to the last slide? Yeah. The previous one. Yeah. And he used to climb that cliff every day, 10,000 feet high cliff. Look at the eagle and say, can I fly like a eagle? Amongst middle class people, amongst you, you will also look at the big giants like Dhirubhai Ambani, Ratan Tata, or maybe Kishore Bihani and a lot of other people, and say to your parent, I want to get into entrepreneurship. And they will say, अरे करना है तो छोटी सी नौकरी कर ले, थोड़ा सा पैसा पूंजी जमा कर लो, एक गड्डी ले ले, एक शादी कर ले, बहुत हो गया. Then Jonathan said to his father, I want to fly like an eagle. He looked at the eagle. 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day, 5 day, 6 months he spent at the eagle. But he didn't have the guts to throw himself from the cliff. And one day, Jonathan had the courage and he threw himself from 10,000 feet high to look whether he can fly like an eagle. He came down crashing and became unconscious on the brick-like ocean. And all his friends, family looked at him and said, "Hey, hota hai pagalpan ka natija." I told him to do small things. Why try big things? But when the sun fell on his eyes, suddenly his eyes opened. And he looked at the cliff, looked at his parents with dejected faces, moved his wings, which were tattered, and started climbing towards the cliff. His father told him, "Listen, Jonathan, if at all you want to learn to catch dead fishes, leave this flying business to the big eagles. अगर धंधा वंदा करना है बड़ा, वो टाटा बिरला अंबानी को छोड़ दो. हम छोटे से मिडिल क्लास लोग हैं, करना है तो छोटी सी नौकरी, नहीं तो छोटा सा ठेला डाल के बैठ जाओ." But Jonathan said, "No, father, I know I too can fly like an eagle." And he went and climbed the cliff and threw himself from the cliff. Once, twice, 3, 4 times he would have failed. And one day he started flying like an eagle. And he flew at 10,000 feet high. And then he also became an entrepreneur. That's the inspiration. And if seagull can fly like an eagle, Vada Pav also can become a burger. That's the thought process. Can you go to the next slide? Why did we think about Goli Vada Pav? Why did we think about Indian brand? My mobile ringtone used to be this beautiful song. छोटो कल की बातें, कल की बात पुरानी, नए दौर में लिखेंगे हम मिलकर नई कहानी, हम हिंदुस्तान